Howdy all, Dr. Keegan from Life Movement Australia here again. Today I want to share with you a great mobility tool for those of us who are hunched up all day. In this video, we'll go through what this thing is and how and why we use it. Now, this is a foam roller. You may have seen these before at the gym, at a practitioner's office, or maybe you already have one yourself. In a similar way to the other mobility tools we've looked at, these work on the nervous system and soft tissue, trying to impact pain perception, flexibility, and tone of your muscle and fascia. To summarize, fascia is a fibrous tissue that helps move forces across the body. For example, as I pull fabric on this side of my body, we see fabric on the other side moving. Fascia works in much the same way. When we're dehydrated, not moving enough, or injured, we build up a kind of stickiness which stops that movement from side to side. Now it's this stickiness that we want to get rid of. There are a number of different types of foam rollers. We've got plain smooth ones, we have ones with ridges and spiky bits on it, we even have ones that vibrate. Now, some studies have shown a greater improvement in range of motion and pain tolerance with the vibrating models, but ultimately, a lot of it does come down to personal preference and what you can tolerate. So, how do you use this noodle? Let's have a look. While seated on the floor, with your knees bent, place the roller at the base of your ribcage. Wrap your arms over your chest in a big hug. As you breathe out, lean backwards over the roller. With the core engaged, lift the hips up off the ground and slowly move the roller up the back. If at any point you hit a tight or tender spot, stop there, take a few big breaths, and then continue on. Spending a couple of minutes going up and down the back. Often people just quickly roll around on these things, which in some cases is better than nothing at all, but to get the most out of these things really requires slow, controlled movements. That'll do us for this episode. Thanks for watching. If you found it handy, share it and like it, and have a good one.